Margin Trading Facility or MTF is Mirae Asset Sharekhan's specialized margin trading service. With MTF, you can enjoy up to 4 times leverage, along with a longer holding period, perfect for both positional traders and investors. But wait, that's not all. You can even pledge your existing approved holdings as collateral for MTF. Placing an MTF order is incredibly simple. Just tap on Trade, enter the script of your choice, for instance TCS. Then tap on Buy. From the Action drop-down, select Buy MTF, and you're good to go. Remember, while MTF offers the potential for high returns in your investment, it is subject to market and stock volatility.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.